Hey guys, welcome back. Arrived here in Adelaide this morning for the long Queen's birthday weekend. Right now we're at the Willunga market right now and just grabbed a sausage sizzle for breakfast. First up on our wine tour is the Darrenberg Cube. Alright, so we just had lunch over at the Beach Road Vineyard and now we are over at the Primo Estate. Morning! Day 2 here in Adelaide. Checked out the Hilton Hotel this morning and our first stop was the Penfold Vineyard just outside Adelaide City Centre. Now we're here in Lobethal to have some lunch. Next up is the Lane Vineyard. Alright, our final vineyard up today is Petaluma. Gonna get hopefully some good sunset drinks here and good tasting. So we finished an afternoon of wine tasting in the Adelaide Hills wine region. Just made our way over here to Hahndorf where we're staying tonight. Gonna grab dinner over the house, but in the meantime, we are walking around the little town here. Alrighty, it's our last day here in South Australia. So we checked out our accommodation over in Hahndorf, walked down to town for a bit, had some brekkie, and now we're over here at the Mount Lofty Botanical Gardens to do a walk before heading back into Adelaide. Alright, so we made it over here to the Mount Lofty summit. It's clearing up as well, so some really good views of Adelaide, the surrounding area. Up next, we're going to head over to the Waterfall Gully. So we've made it back to Adelaide. On the way back to the city, we actually stopped at the R.M. Williams factory where my boots were made. Unfortunately, it's closed, we couldn't check out the factory, but yeah, it was really cool just to see that spot. Now we're here at Elder Park just doing a bit of walking around and gonna grab a quick bite to eat before we head to the airport, fly back to Sydney tonight. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.